I'm a mama of six and a grandmother, and I've been married 36 years. My mama taught me how to be frugal. We had to be frugal when I was growing up in southern Middle Tennessee. I know about how to shop frugally and thrift and save money and all those things because I've had to and I've enjoyed it. Sometimes I've made it a game and it's been a positive thing. Well, today here's what I want to do. I thought maybe you would want in on a few of my little secrets. You may already know them, but you may not. But here's the thing. This video is not sponsored. I'm going to endorse a couple of companies, but I'm also going to give away some of their secrets. This video is not sponsored, but I can tell you, they probably don't want me to tell you a couple of things I'm going to tell you. In the comments, I want you to drop your money saving tip of how you shop frugally on the internet. I'm Miss Katie with heritageways.com. So go ahead and check out heritageways.com. Talk about frugally. I've got some free printable recipes over there. If you sign up for my email newsletter, you get an entire chapter of my cookbook, my most popular cookbook, From Katie's Kitchen Volume 1. I've written ebooks and I've got a second cookbook, but it is out of print. It's sold out. But you can get the most popular one. I still have it because we print it here at home. And my wonderful Mr. Patient sends that out to you. So you can check that out, but you can get a free chapter by subscribing to my email newsletter. I send an email out every Sunday night. You'll find that link to sign up for the email newsletter right there in the description box of this video. I'm going to show you I'm going to bring you to my computer and I'm going to tell you these tips that I know about. Okay, I like to send Christmas cards. We've been doing that every year for our whole marriage, except for 1 year. And I typically use Shutterfly. There have been some times when I have not, but this past season, or this Christmas season, I did order cards from Shutterfly. And I just want to point out as a reminder that you need to sign up for these companies' emails so that you will get discount coupons, but also if it's a website that you do use often, you may or may not already pay attention to their sales, but always use a sale. Try not to ever pay full price for anything, really, if you can help it. Just try to make that a goal. Try to make it a game to try to pay attention to those sales. Now, I did order the cards this year. And after I order them, and this is the tip I want to point out to you because I was really excited this happened. So after I ordered the cards, some specials popped up, and they have collaborated with some companies. And one of those was HelloFresh. They said, "Okay, congratulations, Katie, on your Shutterfly order. Now you have qualified to earn this discount with all these companies." And one of those was HelloFresh. Now, if you're not familiar with HelloFresh, just know I have tried it in the past. I've got some YouTube videos where I reviewed it. I've never been sponsored by them or anything like that, but I do like the company. I do not order all the time or even often, really. It's infrequent. It's not terribly inexpensive. It's not cheap, but after I placed the Shutterfly order, they gave me a 70% off deal to order some meals. So I paid I think it was just a few dollars for 12 meals. And I was really excited about that. And also, you get a sharing link that you can share with friends. You don't have to be an influencer or anything like that. And you can just copy this link. And I'm actually going to share that in the description box of this video. Because if you sign up using HelloFresh, then you get a benefit, a discount, and some from free foods, free box or discounted box, and so do I. So that's how that works. And if you sign up, you sign up, and if you don't, you don't. I'm not looking to make a lot of money from that, but I just want to share that with you. If you've never ordered a box before, then I think you can use that discount code that I'm going to share in the description box. But 70% off. Look, I paid $78, and I got all these meals for my family. and it breaks down. So that's $78 divided by 12 meals divided by 4 people. That's a deal. And so just pay attention. It should have said 75% off HelloFresh. Anyway, I ordered from Staples and I also got these things. I just took screenshots just to show you. I'm a member of Crunch Gym. I have deals that are given to me there. I actually use the JLab 15% off to get Mr. Patient's Christmas presents. So um, check with your existing memberships to see what else might come with that. Then also I used at simplystamps.com. I bought a stamper and also got offers. Don't automatically click off or exit out. If you purchase something online, and I've seen this happen when I've shopped at Kohl's, I've seen it happen when I have bought airline tickets, and they'll say, "Oh, now you qualify for so and so." Just look at it. You're not obligated. You can click out, but I'm just wanted to let you know that I do like HelloFresh, and if you ever come across a discount, then try it out. Try it out for once, and then if you don't want it, you can cancel. Now, here's the thing, though: make sure you cancel in time. That's the thing with any subscription, anything like this, and this is what will get you. The big companies are counting on the fact that you're not going to cancel. Okay, make sure you cancel on time. Now, what I have done is I'll put a reminder on my phone, and you could write it on your paper calendar. I love a paper calendar, but I put it on my phone so I can remember either cancel HelloFresh or skip that week. They allow you to skip it and they don't charge you. Um, so this is just a reminder. Use your phone, and that way you don't forget to cancel. Make sure you let yourself know. Or maybe you're not like me. I forget things. Maybe you can remember everything, but I'm happy if you can. But that is not me. Now, another thing that we do is we have a couple of streaming services. We don't have cable or anything like that at our house. We haven't had anything, television per se, for years. But we do have a couple of streaming services because we signed up with them when they were offering free trials. I know what they're doing. And either way, they're still getting some money, but not as much. What my husband did was signed up when they had offered him a free trial. And this was like 2 years ago that he did this, and we are still subscribed. So he learned that at the end of the month or whatever the trial run was, if he would just cancel, then they would send him a very discounted rate so he could subscribe. And that discounted rate is like drastically reduced. It's like $1.99 instead of 12 or $15.99 or something like that. So he has learned, and he has done that and it goes for like so many months, 4 or 6 months or something like that. So he's learned at the end of that 4 to 6 month period, he'll just cancel, and they'll say, "Oh, we're sorry, we miss you. We're sorry you're gone," and they will give him this like $1.99 for 4 to 6 month package. Another thing that I have found, there are several websites that will, when you put something in your cart, and this stuff's not illegal, and they know what they're doing. It's marketing strategy. I get it, but something that I was going to buy anyway. So I have a vitamin company, and I purchase certain things from them every so many times a year. And sometimes they will send you an email with a discount, and that's good to use those. So do make sure you sign up for your favorite company's email list and your favorite creator's email list. But this particular company, without fail, every single time I know how to work it. So I put my items in the cart, and I literally only wait 24 hours, maybe 36 at the most, and they will always send me a deep discount coupon in my email. They'll say, "Oh, you still have left things in your cart. Here's a 30% off or 40 or 15 or whatever kind of percent off." Every single time. I know what they're doing. They know what they're doing, but it works. I get my products, but I get them at a cheaper price. But just go ahead, remember to take advantage of signing up for email lists for your favorite companies. You can unsubscribe later if you wanted to. They give you discounts at the beginning. Make sure to take advantage of that. Make sure to take advantage if it's a company that you want to do business with after you've ordered something. You know, I've seen this after I've ordered plane tickets. They say, "Oh, thanks for ordering the plane tickets. Now here's a list of these companies, and you can use these deals." You might not need those deals, and I'm not encouraging you to buy something you don't need or use a company that you don't have any need for. But if you need the product, can use it, and it can save you some money, then I definitely want you to look into that. So just be paying attention. Don't just all of a sudden, swish by and not use those discounts that are being offered to you. Yes, they are trying to hook you to be a customer. Yes, they are. Yes, when I ask you to sign up for my email list, I am asking you to come into my community and be active in the community by communicating on Instagram or maybe purchasing a cookbook. Yes, that's how it works. But also, that's how you spread the word. That's how you spread the word. That's how creators, that's how businesses and companies get their word out. It's marketing. So I hope this helped you today. Again, drop your favorite tips down below. Or if you don't want to share your favorite tips, if you can't give them away, share a tip that will help the rest of us consumers. But always count your blessings, and I'll see you next time.